AI just dropped 7 massive updates in one single week, and every one of them feels like a cheat code for productivity. Let's rapid fire through the biggest ones. NotebookLM's game-changing visual update. Ready to rethink presentations? Here we go. NotebookLM just exploded with new updates. Now you can export your notes into slick slide decks in seconds. But wait, built-in AI also whips up killer infographics that make your data pop. Forget boring charts. Imagine custom video styles for every audience. Add your branding, set the colors. Yep, it adapts in real time. It's like having a pro designer and editor fused with your notebook. No more death by PowerPoint. Your slides dance, stats animate, and visuals hit hard. Suddenly, every class or client pitch looks like something out of an Apple keynote. But why stop with decks? These updates fire up the AI race even more. Which brings us to another giant leap in productivity tools this week. Perplexity steps up slides, spreadsheets, presentations, and document generation. Next upgrade that's shaking the AI landscape. Perplexity, yep. The AI Q&A rocket just unlocked slide, spreadsheet, presentation, and document generation. Just type what you need and boom, pristine docs and pro-grade slides appear in seconds. Want to turn research into a boardroom-ready deck? Done. Need raw data zipped into a living spreadsheet? Sorted. Now, presentations aren't just fast, they're context-aware, adapting as your project evolves. Your ideas, figures, and citations surface instantly, cutting draft time to near zero. Suddenly, admin work turns into auto magic. And get this, Perplexity's new tools even hint at a future where you don't write, AI explains for you. Speaking of that, what if every slide came with a perfectly written script? Enter Manus. Reads your mind, writes your lines. Let's crank it up. Imagine slides that speak for you. Manus is redefining what it means to present, literally writes out exactly what you should say slide by slide. No more staring blankly at bullet points or fumbling for words. Manus serves up a tailored script that matches your tone and topic. Each talking point is timed to keep you confident, concise, and never boring. Insert your own stories or zingy jokes. Manus fills the rest so you shine. Great for live talks, screen recordings, client pitches, you name it. It's the end of tough rehearsals and moments. But hang on, because big news just dropped from Meta, one that may rewrite the future of AI itself. Meta just dropped SAM 3, Goodbye Barriers. Hold up, Meta's made a shock move. They just released SAM 3, the next-gen segment anything model, and it's got every dev buzzing. SAM 3 turbocharges what AI can see and select in images or video. Crazy accurate segmentation, think editing videos as easily as Word docs. For creators, it means advanced visual automation tricks without coding. For privacy hawks, it could spot details you wish stayed hidden. Meta's Flex here ups every competitor's game, sparking urgent upgrades elsewhere. As AI vision rockets forward, rivals scramble for the next headline. Naturally, the competition just dropped a monster update too. Fasten your seatbelts for the next one. Grock 4.1, the zero downtime machine, and enter Grock 4.1, today's don't sleep on this release. Zero downtime, ultra-fast recall. Grock's built to remember and respond like a human, even mid-convo. Shortest lag ever, biggest datasets handled on the fly. It's like your AI coworker just got a memory superpower. Real-time answers, lightning upgrades, rock-solid privacy locks. Perfect for teams that need sharp, context-aware help. No more waiting, no more please repeat that. Developers love the open APIs, businesses love the bulletproof uptime. And with new plugins, it slots into any workflow. Next up, Perplexity doubles down, but now on mobile. Perplexity Comet app for Android, AI on the go. Ready for an AI sidekick that lives in your pocket? Meet Perplexity Comet for Android. Instant answers, context-rich summaries right on your home screen.
On Poshmark, add to cart a colorful silk scarf for under $30.
What's a concrete takeaway from this Fortune article that I can use in my meeting?
Focus on building stronger supplier relationships and embracing agility through AI.
Research on the bus, outline a paper in a meeting, even generate reports as you walk. Voice, image, or text, just ask and Comet delivers. No web search rabbit holes. Now every student, pro, or creator gets expert help anytime, anywhere.
Okay, based on this textbook, can you quiz me on Kepler's laws of planetary motion?
Yes. First question. According to Kepler's second law, what does equal areas and equal times mean physically?
It means that a planet speeds up when it's closer to the sun and slows down when it's farther away, so that the line from the planet to the sun covers equal areas and equal time intervals.
Correct. Next question.
Sync works across devices, keeping your data and ideas always ready. Distraction-free and fast, no bloat, just you and efficient results. It's the AI assistant you actually use, not just brag about. But if you crave even more coding power, OpenAI's new release will blow your mind. OpenAI GPT 5.1 Codex Max, coding unleashed. Final twist, the code world turns upside down. OpenAI just unleashed GPT 5.1 Codex Max, the new alpha beast for coders, creators, and teams. Blistering speed, near-perfect code, but now with ultra-detailed explanations, peer review, and bug tracing built in. You describe the task, Codex Max spits out production-ready modules, tests, and docs. It learns from your style, adapts to your stack, and navigates complex project files at warp speed. Real-time debugging, inline comments, auto-refactoring, total coding luxury. From Hello World to billion-dollar SaaS, building is suddenly fun again. So which of these AI revolutions are you trying first? Smash that like and follow for more wild updates. This AI ride is just getting started.